On our employee list, we're going to use conditional formatting to highlight any duplicate employee IDs in the employee worksheet. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to highlight the range or go up to your name box and indicate the range of cells that you'd like to apply the conditional formatting to. So I'll do the name box. I'll type in A5 to A538. And then I'm going to press enter. Automatically that highlights our range for us in column A. That's our employee ID list. Second thing we're going to do is apply that conditional formatting now. So on the Home tab, in your Styles group, you'll see the Conditional Formatting drop-down menu. We're going to click there and choose the very first one, Highlight Cell Rules. And then we'll choose Duplicate Values. A dialog box will open that'll allow you to format them as you wish. Now it's already got duplicates in this first box. By default, it shows up with a light red fill and dark red text, but you could choose any number of the different options to highlight your duplicates. We're going to leave it at the light red fill with dark text, and then I'm going to choose OK. Now if we scroll down, we'll see our first list of duplicates. So you can see that Emma and Rachel both have the same employee ID. Now Rachel was supposed to have an ID of 617, not 517, so we'll adjust that. And when I click off, you'll see that the conditional formatting is removed. If I scroll down a little further, we'll see more of our conditional formatting highlighting our duplicates. We have 3 Jennifer Rizos in our list. So let's get rid of those first 2. If we highlight the 2 rows, select, and then delete our rows, now we've only got 1 Jennifer Rizzo, and that has removed our conditional formatting. Finally, if we scroll down a little bit further, let's see if there's any more conditional formatting highlights. Carmen. We've got 2 Carmens here with the same ID. And so if we wanted to, we could delete one of these Carmens if we're sure that it's just a duplicate, or we could change the ID if it's 2 different Carmens. It looks like Carmen is spelled wrong in this second entry, so we're going to delete this row. And there you have it. If we scroll down further just to verify if we have any more duplicates, I don't see any more, so I think that we're good to go here. So that's conditional formatting, highlighting duplicates.